Hi guys, welcome back to Anita's Home Cooking. Today I will be making egg sandwich. So this is very simple and tastier than you thought it would be. So these are the ingredients I will be using today. 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, some mayo, a couple of slices of tomato, maybe a quarter of this onion, and a hash brown. So I'm going to start off with getting this hash brown in my air fryer and getting it cooked. So put some cooking spray on here, both sides. Okay, and then I'm going to get this in for about, on 400 for about 10 minutes. So while that's cooking, I'm going to get the rest of the stuff ready. So I have about a quarter of this onion, so half of this half, which I will be chopping up into smaller pieces. Alright, so I have my onions chopped up. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my bread in the toaster while the hash browns are cooking up. Okay, and I'm going to bring this over to the stove. Alright, so I'm going to put my heat about to medium. Okay, and I'm going to use maybe about like half a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to start caramelizing these onions. Get a little bit of vegetable oil in there just to help prevent the butter from burning. So I just tossed my onions in there and I'm going to let them start wilting and browning up a bit. So it's going to be a few minutes. And in the meantime, I had flipped my hash brown while it was halfway through. So we're at about 5 minutes right there. Alright. Alright, so while the onions are cooking and caramelizing, I'm going to go ahead and beat my eggs. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there, not too much. I mean, you can put salt to taste. Okay, so I added a little bit of pepper to my eggs, beat them. So this is starting to look good. I'm just going to lower the heat a bit. So the more caramelized the onions get, the sweeter they get. And you get a really nice flavor from them. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put some mayo on both sides of my bread here. Alright, so my onions are looking perfect right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the egg in. So I did bring up the heat a bit more. And we're going to go ahead and make a nice omelet with this. Alright, so once I saw that it was ready, I just gave it a flip and I'm just cooking the other side. So as you can see, the onions are nicely caramelized and looking really good. Alright, so now I got my egg onto one half of my bread. So I just kind of shaped it to the size of the bread. And I'm just going to throw on my cheese. Okay, grab my hash brown from the air fryer, and throw on my tomatoes. Okay, now if you want, you can season this with a bit of salt and pepper. Okay, I went ahead and added my pepper. Now we're just going to put the top part on. You can see it looks really good. Alright, so I went ahead and cut it up for you guys so you can see how it looks on the inside. So you got eggs, cheese, hash brown, tomatoes with some mayo on some nice toasted bread. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope you do give this recipe a try. Please like the video, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.